Welcome back to my channel. Today I would be preparing one of the green leafy vegetables called Methi, which is called in India, but however the English name is Fenugreek leaves. This is a quick and easy to prepare curry and really nutritious and healthy. It has a lot of iron content and is good for everyone in general. So here is the methi leaves or the fenugreek herbs. You would need to just a little bit slice them, don't bruise them too much so that they lose their nutrition. So the ingredients that you would require is one medium-sized chopped onion, 2 or 3 green chilies, few pods of garlic, tomatoes, and here I have soaked lentils, split lentils. And for spice it is very simple, just turmeric and salt. So to begin with, just heat up the wok with some oil. Once the oil has heated up, you can add all the aromatics, which is the onion, green chilies and garlic. A tip, don't move this immediately. Add a pinch of salt so that the aromatics fry in evenly. You don't have to completely brown the onions. At this point, add the lentils. Give it a good stir and add tomatoes. Mash the tomatoes. After a minute of stirring, you can add turmeric and some more salt as per your taste. Add a dash of water so that the spices don't burn. Add some more water and let the lentils cook down. Good time to add the green leaves. Gently stir. The leaves will contain natural water, so don't add a lot of water. Let the leaves cook down in its own water, and the extra water that you have added, let it cook down in its own steam basically. You can close the lid and let it simmer on low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. In between, you can please give it a good stir. Once all the water has evaporated, your curry is ready to be served. So guys, here you have it, your healthy, delicious and nutritious green leaves curry. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It will only motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye guys.